Hi everyone, I'm Rachel, and thank you for joining us today for Zoo, presented by PNC and brought to you by the Louisville Zoo. Now, let's go have some fun. Today, we're learning about animal sounds. Can you help me identify the sounds around the zoo? We have to be real quiet and put on our listening ears. What's that sound? That's a timber rattlesnake. They use their tail to make that sound. Their tail rattles whenever they feel threatened. What's that sound? That's a lion. Lions roar using their mouth and their vocal cords. Lions roar to let other lions know where they're at and to claim their territory. What's that sound? That's a Madagascar hissing cockroach. They force air out of these tiny holes on top of their head. That's to make anything that's bothering them think it's a snake, and hopefully it'll leave them alone. What's a sound you can make? Can you make a sound with your hands? Can you make a sound with your mouth? Try at home. Let's see how many sounds you can make. Wow, that was a lot of fun. We hope to see you again for some more Zoo activities. See you next time. Bye.